performance task 500 words. For me, I will choose Abellana to celebrate the Sinolo Festival. It's not all about the venue. It's all about our patrons and Senior Santo Niño for several years in Abellana. It was decided to hold the Sinolo Festival and respect the patron Senior Santo Niño, and this is the annual view to the Holy Child, and this is what is customary for people in Abellana to do so, because it is a short walk to the Basilica, and it is good opportunity for the vendors of candles, and we all know Sinolo Festival is one of the highlights in Cebu City, which the festival of all festival. There is no need to move view, because he can benefit and try to look the history of the Sinolog where the celebrate.